Gizmetiferog here, welcome back to level 0 ripoffs. We were just loading the editor in our last lesson and now it is loading, and you will sometimes see that it gets stuck at 45% on the first time you run this project, because it is still building some things and it spends a lot of time on that part the first time it goes. So do not worry, it isn't frozen or crashed or stuck usually. So and then eventually this window will disappear and you wait a little while and then the editor will come up. So I'm going to skip ahead to when that happens. Okay, so since we are opening the engine without opening a project, it shows us all the projects we already have that can be opened with this version of the engine. But we're going to make a new project, so we will go down to the project category of games, which is, they have these categories now as of this version or some recent ones, and then we click next to make a new project. It is a game.
Useful, sometimes not useful project templates that start you off with things already made. We're going to learn the basics. Blank, like you have been stranded on desert island. This is the desert island here, by the way, and you have nothing to help you but maybe a shoelace and some chewing gum. So blank project, we will learn how to do this. Okay, these are good settings. Don't add starter content because we are making a really ugly game. So ugly. It's going to be called Pong. But Pong already exists, so we will make it originally Pang. We will bonk a ball back and forth with stretchy cubes, and the ball will be just a regular cube, but smaller. I know you want to make Fortnite, but you must take baby steps. You are at level 0, remember? Once again, window disappears. Now Pang editor is loading. And again, this part may take a longer time for you, first time you run it. Okay, so the launcher came back, makes you think maybe everything died and went to next life. Maybe it was good, maybe it was bad, maybe it got cool and it's stacking. Oh, here comes the editor. Good. Okay, it's telling us many things. This is a big window. So, successfully you have created a project. It does nothing except, well, if you click the play button, it does something. After a minute, it is still loading. Ah, here we are. It says click for mouse control. Okay, click on the window. Ah, I move the mouse. It spins around. Can make you very dizzy. There's the sun. Do not stare at it for too long, or you will get cataracts. Very bad for your eyes. This is our desert island. As you can see, there is literally nothing around us. If I press WSAD, it moves like a first-person shooter, but oh, we can fly. Does that not give you a happy thought? Or is happy thought making you fly? Pixie dust must be involved. From desert island, so much fun. Nothing to do, but you can always escape into the vast abyss of nothing in the horizon. I have heard it goes on for 50 kilometers. Unreal Engine uses metric system. You can change that, but I'm not going to. Every Unreal unit, or UU, represents 1 centimeter. To get out of here, you just press escape. Okay. Why is it moving? I think we have a gamepad connected. Yes, we do. I am pressing the gamepad joystick to move around. Some other gamepad may be also connected. There we go. I have two gamepads connected. One of them was getting rained on by clutter of my desk. So it was moving around for me. Alright, so yeah, that's fun. You can actually move around in this viewport using gamepads. You can also move around in the viewport using the mouse, as you've seen me do, without playing the game. To do this, you hold down the right mouse button to look around. Looking around. Looking around. Don't look at the sun. Okay. And WASD flies around just like in the game. How do I go up and down? While holding right mouse button, hold down left mouse button. Up, down, up, down. Do 30 reps of this until your heart rate increases. Also, we can go left and right, holding down both mouse buttons, with mouse left and right, and you will slide or strafe left and right. This helps you to position the camera exactly where you want it to go. If you hold only left mouse button, it will move backwards and forwards and also turn.
Okay, so this lesson we have learned how to open the Unreal Engine and how to move around in it and do absolutely nothing useful. In next lesson we will learn how to do useful things. Probably. Till then, goodbye.